Good morning and welcome to your Myers Morning News. Today is Friday, May 1st, 2020. The news will be brought to you today by some special kids from Mrs. Crain's class. I bet you're wondering what the weather will be like today. Let's ask Mason.
Hi, I'm Mason, your meteorologist. Today's weather is predicted to be partly cloudy with a temperature of 59 degrees. Only 20% chance of rain. Over to you, Quentin.
Let's see whose birthdays are today. Here's Quentin.
I just wanted to wish Nevaeh Garman, Logie Peterman, and my classmate Tucker Taylor a very happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Jaylee is going to tell us all about school lunches. Here she is.
Hi, I'm Jaylee. Don't forget to pick up your school lunches at Myers Elementary School every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from 11:30 to 1. Hope to see you there. Go BA!
I wonder what Holland has been up to. Let's see.
Hi, Holland here. This is Poppy. She's a viviparous, which means she lays eggs. She's my favorite chicken, and she lays brown eggs.
Speaking of our friend Holland, she has a really cool book recommendation for us. This book is all about a father and son who go on a little adventure so the father can show him how much he really loves him. You can tell Chloe loves it too. This book is called I Love You Like. It's written by Scott Sutton and Alec Traub. You can find it anywhere on Amazon. Are you ready to laugh? Because I know Brinley's got some good jokes for us. Here she is.
What did the ocean say to the surfer? Nothing. It just waved. What does a mermaid use to call her friends? A shell phone, of course.
Cash has been doing a lot of cooking these days. She even has her own cooking show on YouTube called Cooking with Cash. You should check it out sometime. Here she is.
Hi guys, welcome to Cash's Cooking Show. Today I'm gonna make pizza roll-ups. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Then spray your pan lightly. Roll the crisp rolls and spread them out in their triangles. Put 3 pieces of pepperoni on the wide end. Cut 4 pieces of cheese stick in half. Put 1 cheese stick on top of the pepperoni. This is my favorite part. Roll the dough. Lightly brush with melted butter. Put in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. Yummy! Thanks for watching. Goodbye!
Thanks for tuning in to the Myers Morning News. Have a great day. Keep working hard. Bye!